Not yet. I haven't survived yet. Am I walking in front of everybody? I am walking in front of everybody.
We're about to be terrified.
Ooh.
We're in the bayou, Louisiana. I'm not sure what that general store is selling.
Don't ask questions around here.
Oh, you won't make it back out.
No.
I think it's right here.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll just ask this guy.
Yeah, I don't know about that. I know what's going to be here today. I'll be careful if I were you. I hear these waters be cursed. You might end up losing an eye or two.
Well, my sanity's already long gone, so we're not losing that. Yeah. Ooh. Looks like we're going underwater in a minute.
I thought you just lost your body and your soul.
She thinks I still have my soul. That's been long gone. That's been long gone.
You got two souls.
Oh, yeah? Wow. Here's, oh, yes. Green and froggy.
You feel the
Oh! Oh, that was close.
You almost got eaten.
Yeah. And this time it was in the skin. Oh! Okay.
Yeah, we're getting deeper in the water here.
Yes. Ah! Oh!
What's that?
I don't know.
You got some boots on
Yes. Oh my gosh, we're just getting deeper and deeper.
You feel it, don't you? There's the fall beneath the knife.
Yes.
You feel it, don't you? Nobody makes it.
Something's loose in the bayou.
No.
Oh, go look at the gator.
Oh, gator done.
You got out of the water.
Yeah.
Ah!
Whoa.
Okay.
They got no tail though.
I haven't gone to the merchandise shop yet. Do they have Depends? Because
Whoa. Has some wipes.
oh, okay. Hi. That's me. Okay, I think we're kind of getting out of the water now. Oh! Oh, hello.
Yeah, we're.
It's getting a little more shallow.
Check.
Oh,
We got a visitor.
okay.
Dragging along back there.
Maybe he wants to get out too. Oh!
Pick that stick, hold him under and suck him in. Every last.
Oh.
You
Oh.
and you and you.
Yeah?
No, we're out. We're leaving.
Okay, okay.
We're
Okay.
running.
Okay, okay.
We survived.
Yay!
I see land.
Yes. Ah. Ah. Man. Oh,
That was incredible.
yes. Yeah, that's the best I've seen, the best use of baby swamp I've seen. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That was and he kind of walked into it like in the shallow end, and then he walked back out. That's cool.
It's scary. We just came out of there. We smelled some really good food being cooked over here, so
Yeah.
I'm not sure what it is.
I don't know, but it wasn't cooking before the hunt started.
So beware.
Grab the food before you're the food. Not sure how I could do that.
Please come back, please. Why are you leaving me?
I don't know. I'm trying to find a way out.
Welcome to the house kitchen.
Oh, thank you. Mine don't work.
Give me your brains!
Doesn't work.
I feel like put some seasoning salt on it. It'll taste delicious.
Let's try that. Okay.
I killed Gordon Ramsay. This is a real house kitchen.
Ooh.
It's about time you showed up. My
I know.
rats are starving and they've been waiting.
Oh.
You
wanna
think you're
keep-
just allowed to make them wait? You know what they do when they're hungry? They
that?
nip and complain. And I have to deal with it because of your mistakes!
Yeah, I do
So
that a
you
lot.
better be going!
Okay.
You're in there!
Yeah, I have a lot of mistakes. I'm good at that. Ah!
Are you hungry? Great, tell me all about you!
Yeah.
Everything I need to know!
Okay.
You told me you were a guest of honor, so I mean everything!
Oh, well, of course.
I made it from scratch! You want to try my sausage?
Actually, I'm not hungry anymore.
Why?
I just remembered I ate earlier.
It really looks good though, right?
Yeah, okay, bye.
Greg doesn't like liars!
Oh! They're not very good anymore. Probably when I find something younger. There's a lot of empty cans in here.
Oh, help me, please! I don't want to die here. Get
You
me
want to
out
die
of
here?
here.
Okay. Oh,
Get me
crap.
out of here, please! Please, please!
I'm trying to get out myself. Let's move this guy out of the way.
Woo! Okay, I was hurt. Please! Please help me now!
Kind of busy. Gotta turn around here. Oh, tripping on the. This is not as easy as it looks, guys. I'm sure I'm all kinds of unfocused right now. Oh. Okay. And just knock it on the. Oh. Okay, that was difficult, but like totally worth it. Okay, so more laundry. Okay, I'm going.
No, no, he's gonna kill you!
Who, really? Is that a promise?
He's gonna kill you! Don't go! Please stay!
Alright,
No, please!
they're busy.
Get me out of here, please! Please, please!
I'm gonna pause just a second. Okay.
I don't like this one anymore.
Yeah. It doesn't look like it's bleeding anymore. New lasers.
Woo! took everything from me, please. I don't want you to be back.
I think I survived. Did you survive? If so, thanks for watching this video. And remember, haunt season never ends. I'm gonna head out for now, but I'll definitely be back before the end of the season. If you have not been to Pemberton Haunted Acres before, this is the first year in this location, but they've been around for a little while. Well, 15 years up until now. This is 16. I'm late to it, but definitely come out here. This is amazing, and it's gonna just get better. So, till then, thanks for watching, and remember, haunt season never ends.